Ever wondered how some TikTok creators can go from 0 to 10,000 followers overnight? What if I tell you there are powerful TikTok growth hacks that has been hidden away from you? And today, I am revealing all of them to you in this video. There are 4 things that you need to know that will change the way that you think about TikTok forever. Stick with me because these TikTok secrets that you're about to discover is pure gold. Again, I'm Yda. I'm your TikTok strategist helping you grow and earn here on TikTok. You might have heard to post 3 times a day to grow or to use trending audio. Or maybe you're told to use specific hashtags so that your account could get viral. What they don't tell you is that these are outdated strategies. The best thing about this video is that you don't have to be a TikTok expert for you to see results. You can use this even if you're a beginner, if you're a newbie, or experienced on TikTok. Plus, you don't need to spend hours on content creation because these hacks have helped me and my students go from 0 to 10,000 followers even in just 1 month. This can work for anyone, for any niche, even if you're a beginner or already experienced on TikTok. Starting with number 4, you need to attract a new audience. Go to your account and find out which videos made you viral. Now, if you've seen that, go back to your newer videos that you have recently posted, and compare your viral videos before and the videos that you're posting now. Are you still creating videos that have made you viral? Are they still related to each other? If you're not creating these viral videos, this could lead to low views, which is the reason why your account is not growing and attracting a new audience. If you're getting low views, then it might be time to attract new audience with this 3rd tip. Number 3, you need to understand what are the trending topics right now. Understanding this will give you leverage. You need to start doing SEO or search engine optimization. I've said this a lot in my videos and I've gotten viral so much times just because of this. What you want to do is think of a video that you want to create. So let's say you're a fitness coach. The video that you want to create is a workout routine for weight loss. So from that phrase itself, turn that into a question. In this case, what are the workout routines to lose weight? Now, what I want you to do is open Google and type that exact question. Once you're on Google, you'll find out there are phrases under what you just typed. Add these phrases in your videos or turn them into content topics. What you can also do is do social listening. Social listening is basically you checking in the comments or doing market research. One way that you can do this is by looking at your competitors. Go to their videos, read the comment section. The comment section is a treasure chest. You'll basically find out what your audience wants. Once you find that out, that's basically a trending content topic. What you can also do is go on Facebook, Reddit, Quora, and find out what are the common questions your audience are asking in these platforms. Once you find that out, those are basically content topics for your account. Number 2, this is one of the best ways to actually grow on TikTok. It's kind of a long shot, but the most satisfying one, and it's trying out new video formats. If you've been posting for a long time but still aren't getting results, you're still stuck at 500 or 5,000 followers, then you might need to try this out. If you're still stuck with 5,000 followers, then it might mean that your videos are getting boring. So what you want to do is go back to focusing on your hook. Your hook is basically the first 3 to 5 seconds of your video. This part of your video will make your audience decide whether they should watch your video or scroll past it. Your goal here is to catch your audience attention. What you can also do in your videos is to add emotion. Add emotion by incorporating storytelling in your videos. There are characters, there's a problem, and there is a resolution. Talk about that in your videos. Some examples could be vlogs, just like this one.
One of the most scariest things if you have anxiety. We've been preparing for this trip for a few months now and I'm supposed to fly out with my boyfriend's family, but there were so much complications and actually naiwan ako. I was crying so hard and I've been crying like this for a few months. By God's grace and a tarot card reading, we got a flight on the same day but I only had 3 hours to go to the airport and actually go through sobrang traffic, walang car, ang haba ng pila sa immigration, grabe. Have to thank my boyfriend and his family for this trip and for helping me all the way. Sobrang nabiglaan. This is the only thing I ate. Anxious but excited. I was in the middle seat with strangers, so that's how I felt. Landed at Japan though, so that was fun. We talked about Japan. Going here is like one of my dreams, so I was so excited and I was like so in awe. After months of crying, we actually made it to Japan. Yay!
Or videos just like this.
What are we gonna do today?
Just make a vlog with lots of dimension.
Love it. So, I want to use a darker color to have that depth. Some brighter blondes popped in with it.
This is my better side. I'm more important than that. Really good. Actually, that's really good.
We're doing a real interesting pattern throughout her hair because we want to really create that dimension. It's gonna wear.
I don't know.
I think we gave you dimension.
It's so blonde. Look at that. How did we get so light? Love it. Yeah, I'm obsessed.
Another tip that not much people do but is so powerful is adding facial expressions. This is why reaction videos are almost always viral because they're showing facial expressions. These are some video examples.
It's good. That's why people watch it so many times.
You can also make the video engaging. Do this by asking them to comment their suggestions, comment their reactions, basically asking your audience to be part of your video or your content. Now, this tip is so underrated, but once you start doing this, you realize why so much creators are getting successful. And it's because of number one is where they collaborate with other creators in their niche. So if, for example, let's go back to the fitness coach, what they want to do is collaborate with other fitness coach who are experts in other topics. So let's say I am a fitness coach who is an expert in weight loss. Now, I want to collaborate with another fitness coach who is an expert in strength training. This way, when you create videos or collaborate in videos, you're attracting a new audience from their current audience. What you want to do is find people that your audience would love to see you collaborate with. You want to ask questions as well to your audience. Ask them, who do you want me to collaborate with? Tag that person and I'll collab with them. Make sure that their audience is your target market or your target audience. And what you want to do when creating a video is think of a content that hits both of your niches. Make sure when creating a video, have a good impression on their account. Make them laugh, make them inspired. Another powerful tip is make sure when you collab, it's a talking video so that people really see your personality. And when they like your personality, they would want to go to your account and follow you. And make sure in those videos that you collaborate on, you give value. Giving value based on your niche or based on your expertise. So if you're a fitness coach, make sure on the video that you collaborate with another creator is that you provide value by sharing your tips for weight loss. And please, when you use these tips, another bonus tip is always to have a call to action. Let them know that they need to follow you. You can get 1 million views, but if you don't have a call to action, it will not convert into followers. This was actually my mistake. What you can also do with your content is have part 1, part 2, or having a series. So part 1 could be on your account, part 2 can be on the other creator's account. Or you can have the first video on your account, which is the process, and the result could be on another creator's account. After doing these tips, I grew 10,000 followers every single week. My students who follow these tips have grown their account even from scratch. Now I don't need to spend too much time creating content on TikTok. I just need the right content that my audience wants to watch. If you want me to talk about hooks, make sure to subscribe this video to let me know. I hope this video helps you out, and if you have any more questions, make sure to comment them down below. And here's to growing on TikTok with you.